Hello. Today we've decided that we're going to take you on an adventure. Why? Because if you look closely outside, it's not raining for the first time in a week.
Like a week. It was raining all day
The
yesterday.
rain in Spain falls mainly wherever Tim and Kelsey are. So we've been hanging out at a friend's house here that we know from Overland Expo and who's a traveler. He's actually been out of town. He's in Baja right now.
Yeah.
But he gave us his loft here, which has been amazing for us to sit still,
So good.
not burn a bunch of money.
We've been working,
And
like you've been doing some consulting, and I've just been doing the videos and stuff. But
so it's been perfect, but like we literally ran out of food and we only have his motorcycle to go to the store. So we sat by the window and
like
when
waiting
there was
for
like
it to stop.
yeah, there was a lull. We're like, go. We rode down there, ran through the store, came back and only got a little wet. So today looks sunny for at least an hour or two. We're taking advantage.
We're going for it.
We're gonna go hop on his motorcycle. His motorcycle that he rode all throughout the Americas and is now here in Spain where we're at. So we'll take you along and who knows how long we're gonna go for.
And if we'll get wet.
Or muddy or what, but we're gonna try. So here goes nothing.
I don't think I could do it where it rains all the time, because one day of being stuck inside, well really like 5 days, but we did a little short walks every once in a while, but yesterday it just rained all day. It's so nice to have the sun out. It just makes me so happy. Sunny and everyone is out just like we are because now it's sunny, and yeah, it's fun to see just everyone out enjoying the nice weather. We were just cruising along, but taking a stop to see where we're at now, because we don't really have a plan. We know that it looks more rainy that way, but we haven't been around the area, so not really sure.
Yeah, we're just making it up as we go. I think I have an idea, at least we'll see.
All that's for sure is that it's nice right now, and it sure is good to be out. All right, we're taking a quick break to stretch our legs and just get off and look around. And this was like a very pretty old church. And you can't see it right from here, but back behind us is like a rad old castle. So we decided to stop. Not to mention, like, look at the view back out there. So nice stop to take off our helmets, stretch the legs a little bit, and look around. These trees are insane.
Yeah. Super neat looking. It's so fun, like both two different things, like sightseeing in Spain, it's hard to believe we're here, and then the freedom of having your own autonomy again. We go where we wanted to, whatever road you see, you go, I want to go down that, whatever speed you want to go within reason. But just having that autonomy again is so amazing. And I think a motorcycle for Europe could be the best way to see it. Yes, you're going to get cold, but there's not a lot of camping for overlanders or for anyone, motorcyclists, and so you're probably going to spend a lot of nights in a hotel anyway. So even if it's a miserable, rainy, cold day, you have a place to sort of recover at night, you know? So it was super cool. And then of course the twisty roads are just so numerous, too numerous to count, I think, in Europe. And so we've just been having fun. And it's a dirt bike, but still the sensation of leaning into the corners and stuff, it's just fun. And then everything you stop at, everything you see, there's another castle and another castle. And then this church says like 1038. I mean, just to see years like that on things where you go, crazy. Okay, you know, that's a bit of go. And no one's here. It's not like it's a novelty, you know what I mean? I'm sure 20 miles down the road there's another church that's just as old or older, you know? Yeah. Or building of some sort, but pretty cool. Yeah, it's really neat. And I think too, we've been cooped up in the house and working and eating and working, and so just to get out and ride and do something feels amazing.
Back, and it was a pretty dang good ride. We didn't get wet. It was cold at the top of the mountain, but it was good way to get out of the house. And I'm gonna have some warm soup or something when I get inside because I'm a little chilly. What about you?
That was awesome. So fun to be on a motorcycle and just have the freedom of riding around. Everything is so pretty. Yeah. Cold for sure at the top of the mountain, and then you just realize over time the wind gets you. And so I could even do another layer next time. Hey, buddy. Hi. Cutest golden retriever in the world's here.